Hello, what's up? Welcome back to the Crypto Galaxy. Crypto investors are about to earn generational wealth and make a lot of money and be super rich, probably in the second half of 2026 or 2027, because this is the same exact pattern that happened in 2022, 2023. Everybody was not really here in crypto, and then everybody all of a sudden got super rich after like a year of investing, because 2024 was a massive year for crypto. And 2025 was the start of the bear market for altcoins, and 2026 start of a little bear market for Bitcoin. But not to worry, the same pattern's playing out just like it did last bull run, and I'm pretty optimistic for this year. So prepare now, people. Get ready for the bull run. Welcome. Hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, or follow me on the Twitch channel. Ray, what's going on, man? Mr. Number 2. See money, what happened to the second account? Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Jim P, what's going on, man? First, the Discord. Welcome. Good to see you here. I got your message on Discord. I'll help you out later today, get you back on Discord through WAP. Patreon doesn't like me anymore, so we're going to have to do WAP now. So welcome, Jim. My OG member. So happy to see you here, man. Hound. LOL. Third channel. Somebody slap CG. Somebody slap you. Why do you care? Hey, I'll make a fourth channel if I have to. Who gives a shit at this point? When is a Cortex Vortex? Probably never. It's going to be a dying thing. Well, I think Pepe will be a good coin for the next bull run, because it's deeply ingrained in internet culture, and it's probably not going to go away ever. But all of the short-term shit like Cortex Vortex and Brett and Landy and Anwolf and shit, did I say Landy again? I meant Andy and Landwolf. It's and Hoppy. Those are just short-lived coins, but they're going to be coming back pretty soon. I mean, once the crypto market turns. I actually think that we could have a turn in Ethereum in about a month or so, because Ethereum is currently on the uptrend a little bit, not by much, but Ethereum's at a key level. Like it either just pump right back up to $4,000 in a month or two, or it's probably going to crash to like $1,500. But not that I care. All the cryptos that I thought were good are now shit, and then all the shit that I thought cryptos that were shit are now going to be good. So it's just very interesting in the latest development of crypto and technology. AI, I think, is taking over the world, and I think there's been a massive shift to faster money moving around to day trading, low caps, micro caps. There's a bigger world of competition, and it seems like gone are the days of big VC-backed large projects like Aster and Hyperliquid. I mean, that shit's kind of getting cook-a-looking. So I might have to revisit my opinions on Tau, Caspa, and Virtuals, but also maybe not. Virtuals protocol is up 23% this week. Even Near's up 41%. River is up 101%. Wow, Pippin. Oh no, Pippin. It's down 50%. Oh no. What the hell is happening? That's fine. Trucker, what's up? CG, what's up, Trucker? Trucker the OG, what's up, man? Good to see you here. I'm getting good vibes, man. I'm getting flashbacks to 2023 because 2023 was like the tail end of the bear market where everyone was like, oh no, shit, this sucks. Fuck everything. And now it's like Bitcoin's about to stop crashing pretty soon, consolidate, and then we'll just go back up. So the people who play the long game, which is what I do, are still going to be fine. I mean, I've still been holding a lot of Bitcoin and ETH since ETH was $80, Bitcoin was $3,000. Yes, I swapped some ETH into coins here and there, someone up, someone down, but overall, my bags have been generally up because I've been in crypto for 6 years, and so it's just important to play the long game. Paul, Abster 100X. You mean like the abs, like your stomach abs, or do you mean Aster, like the coin? I don't know if Abster is necessarily a coin. Oh wait, it is. What the hell? It's a penguin? That looks cool. It's on CoinEx. It's a year old. What the hell? I mean, it's fun, but no, this is not relevant at all. Aster is also complete crap. It literally looks like a butthole. But I don't know, the chart's fine. It's not like a rug or anything. It's just the big exchanges and crypto manipulators like CZ, Binance, Coinbase, Brian Armstrong, and anybody closely connected to them, Trump. I mean, they just keep dumping altcoins. They're even dumping Bitcoin now, so it's kind of harsh to the little players like us. That's why I'm trying to stick to low cap meme coins or just big cap safe coins. Jim, many thanks to you, CG. Wow, man, many thanks to you too. Appreciate you, dude. The OG, the first member on my Patreon, or the second one. And then Patreon just kind of like slapped me, so I guess I'm just doing WAP now. That's fine. Good to see you here, Jim. Wow, man, you've been here for a long ass time. You've been here since I think late 2022, so it's been 3 years, over 3 years. Damn, that's crazy. Crypto never goes away. Neither does CG, neither does Jim P. Abster's the ETH version of Pengu. Okay, yeah, I guess from the picture perspective, that's quite literally true. It's a green Pengu, so that's cool. I mean, Pengu is a VC-backed token, right? I mean, this is not exactly the same thing. I mean, it's a 2 billion market cap. Pengu is like multi-billion dollar VC-funded project, but you know, this looks fun and cool. It's just really old. You know, I don't think this is very relevant anymore. But hey, I don't know. I could be wrong, man. And if that's true, Mr. Paul, you can slap me. Paul says, you saw the small gas pass pump? Ah, yes, the one random coin out of thousands of coins, because I literally watch every coin every day. Gas pass coin. Not on Dex Screen. It was really good at a time, but I don't know, is this really still relevant anymore? It's not even showing up on CoinMarketCap or Dex Screener, so yeah, no, I haven't seen the pump, but got any other micro caps? Show them my way. I'm looking for coins, boys. I'm looking for coins. There's been some hot action with the AI and agents coins. I was watching Molten Coin. Very nice chart. Consolidated. It's in that 1.4 billion market cap. I might snag a bag because I think AI is going to take over the world this year. Plus some meme coins. Trending on Dex Screener, Solana. What do we got? No Brainer, DiCarpio, One Autism, Pipkin, and Pizza. So just some random crap. But the base chain has been gaining traction with the pushes from Coinbase because Coinbase knows that centralized exchanges suck and nobody wants to use those anymore. So now the DEXs are doing better. That's why they have X402 payments with AI agents, and They launched the base chain. So I think the base chain could take over Solana this year because base chain has a much bigger infrastructure with AI and agents. That's why virtual protocol is doing pretty well. The other hot recent launchpad is Clanker World. AI agent launchpad. What people do is they can tag Clanker and launch from a bot, and it just goes auto launch a token. Now, obviously, all these tokens are useless shits, but it does show a good stage in evolution and development for, you know, AI stuff on the base chain. Jan Podgorski, hi CG. I have been here for a while too. Oh yes, you have. I remember. You've been here for maybe like 2 years. Wow, man. Great to see you here, man. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you. Paul, Gas Pass, correction. Okay. It's not Gas Pass. It's Gas Pass. 745K market cap, I guess, had a little pump, but it looks like a big pump and dump. So, wow, it went up, I don't know, 50%. It's a nice coin, but yeah, I don't know. I really think, Pepe micros are super dead right now. I would say Jai is probably alive because it has a really good dev, but all the other community run coins are completely gone. Like there's no more comms running any of those. I think the iconic four of Pepe could be good long-term, like Brett, Andy, and Landwolf. Brett does have a few big centralized exchange listings, and Brett's also a big mascot for base chain, and base chain's getting hotter now. So I don't know, Brett could be fine. I've already swapped all my Brett out for Pepe just because there's a lot less risk involved with Pepe, and I'm trying to play the long game. Pepe's at $1.4 billion market cap on the downturn, just like the whole market, but it is still holding above key levels. Not that it matters. Even if Pepe does go down back to 300 mil market cap, it could still pump again to like 40 or $80 billion market cap. In the last pump, it hit 10 billion market cap. So, guys, I think the next bull run for this year or next year, it could be bigger than the last bull run of 2024 because ETH and Solana did not hit the all-time highs yet. So that combined with the fact that the Bitcoin dominance stayed at 58% throughout pretty much the whole bull run. Like the Bitcoin dominance kept going up and up and up from 50 to 60%. That, yes, there's been a few good plays with altcoins, but there was no like easy mode in the crypto bull run of 2024. So I think 2026, 2027 could be the easy mode of the crypto bull run, which brings me to my flashbacks of when I first had my first bull run in 2021. I had no idea what I was doing. I bought XRP, I bought Cardano, I bought ETH, Dogecoin, Theta, VeChain, and I made a bunch of 100Xs. I even made 200X on Polygon. I had no idea what I was doing. I just threw $50 in Polygon. I made 200X. I got a $10,000 Uniswap airdrop. I made $20,000 on Polygon. I made like thousands on Dogecoin. I made like 70,000 on Theta from a $700 investment. So the days of huge luck like that feels like it's been gone, but I think it'll come back, but plus with a little bit more of a skill and careful selection twist, because the crypto market now got so accessible that literally anybody, even your grandpa, can go spin up a Dex wallet and start buying coins. So it's not like it's the hard to buy coins and figure it out is bullish, but just picking the right things and narrative understanding and high level overview is going to be super important for this year and next year. Paul says, I see you smiling. Yes, Gas Pass is funny. I like it. But I learned that liking a meme doesn't result in the meme coin pumping. So there is that, right? There's so many meme coins I love, and they're just not going to pump. Jan says, yes, Crypto Night. It's been 2.5 years. Ah, yes. Hey, Crypto Night. I recognize you by the profile pictures. The profile picture with the BMW eye. I think you changed your name. But yeah, what's up, man? Good to see you. You know, hit me up, whatever you need. I got you, man. I got you. Happy to see you here. Charlie, Mog Coin 100X. Wow. What a big claim to make. I don't think it's impossible for Mog Coin to do that. It did have a really good hype and it was trending, hit over $1 billion market cap. I mean, this could hit 20 billion market cap again, maybe. I mean, if it hit 20 billion market cap divided by 61 million market cap, that'll be a 327x. So it's possible. Wait, 100x on 60 million market cap would be 6 billion market cap. So that's only 4 times the previous all-time high. That's not impossible. I just, I don't know why this is like the one. Like, this is the best meme coin out of all the old meme coins that are big caps. Because the older the coin is, the harder it is to revive, because people always like the next best shiny thing and what's new. And I don't like old stuff. So maybe you like it, maybe I like it, but do all people like it? I don't know, probably not, maybe. So do you have any reason to believe why this is the 100x? When it comes to big cap meme coins that are old, I think Pepe is the only good one, and Dogecoin. Why? Dogecoin, backed by Elon Musk, who has nearly $1 trillion in assets and net worth. Pepe, ingrained meme coin on the internet for like 10 plus years. And you say, oh, why isn't Shiba? Well, Shiba sucks because Shiba was backed by Vitalik Buterin, who now abandoned the coin. So Shiba is just going to die a slow death. And I think Bonk could maybe be good, because Bonk has a launch pad that's in tier 2 competition with Pump Fund, and Pump Fund does millions of dollars in volume every day. Like, there's tons of people who trade Pump Fund every single day. I mean, you go to Twitch right now, look at the crypto section. I mean, there's people just day trading meme coins with thousands of views. Like this guy, Scented, 1,000 people watching him right now. And this is more viewers and attention than any crypto live streamer on YouTube and Twitch right now, which is, yeah, I don't know what this dead lady is doing on the screen. This is very odd. YouTube, take a break, all right? This is not dead people on the screen. This is just a weird advertisement. Don't ban me for this. The crypto has moved very heavily into pump fund day trading meme coins. I do it a little bit. I've tried it, but it's not exactly my thing, because it's an easy way to get your wallet drained fast by just buying the next rug pull that all the insider devs decided to collude on, and rug people that follow them. And there was just copy trading and a whole bunch of other weird shit. So it's too stressful for me, man. I'm getting old. I'm 31 years old. I just like to buy nice big cap crypto coins, hold them for a long time, wait, and then sell for profits if and when needed. That's just living la vida loca, you know, just taking it easy. No need to stress out and day trade like some of these young japs are doing. But there is a need to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the follow. Shout out to all my 4 people on Twitch and 16 people on YouTube. You folks, you 20, are the chosen ones. Flashback to 2023, I had 20 people watching my live streams when Caspa was a half a cent. And I was like, guys, you have to get Caspa. It's so bullish. It could do 100x. Now, sure, Caspa didn't do 100x, but 20 cents divided by 0.04 cents is a 50x. That's fucking crazy. And even Pepe, I threw thousands of dollars in Pepe when I had barely anybody on my YouTubes. At 200 million market cap, I was like, guys, this is the next best coin. You have to get this. And then Pepe pumped 40x from 200 mil MC to 2 billion MC. So do I have the next best coin right now? Maybe, maybe not. But I have very good hunches and clues as to what the hottest next short-term narrative could be based on what's actually happening and moving in the market. With this primo example, Multcoin hit $120 million market cap for 1 million market cap. 120x in January 2026. So a month ago, people literally made 100x. Now, this is super insider activity. This is not an easy play. This is a difficult insider play because Elon Musk was talking about it. It went viral on the news, and only the insiders actually had the dibs on it right at the time because it pumped straight up 100x after like a day. So, you know, it's like, oh, wowee. In hindsight, I should have bought it, but how are you supposed to know? Crypto trading, the skill, elevated skill, and just network and social network required right now is extremely high. Like, it's not like you can go, oh, wow, willy-nilly, I'm going to go buy this, I'm going to go buy that, I'm going to go buy that, and make 100x, woohoo. I'm not saying Pepe and Caspa was that easy, but there was tons of 40 and 50x coins in 2024 that it was easier. Like, as long as you just didn't royally fuck up, you could buy 5 coins. One of them did 40x, so you turn like $5,000 into $200,000 in a few days, and that's fine. The other bags can be shit because you're happy with the $200,000. Rexstick, welcome to the stream. Things will get hot later this year. And that's the exact title of the crypto show today. Generational wealth is starting now, or maybe like next month it's going to start. Because now I think the market could keep going down. But it's starting soon. It's starting over the next few months. And then the crypto bull market and all the coins, ETH, Bitcoin, Solana, all the alts and microcaps and meme coins are going to start heating up in the fall or the winter. And then I think 2026 mid to end will be the accumulation zone, where we get the next Caspa at a half a cent. We get the next Pepe at 200 mil market cap. And then boom, 2027, hallelujah, meme season, normies coming in. Cryptos are pumping 50x out of nowhere and everything happens again. And all the new people come in and go, oh no, I should have been in crypto in 2026. What was I doing? I thought it was over. But it's not over. And I know that. So that's why I'm still here doing this shit. Crypto is just the most fundamentally strong narrative for any asset class. It's the newest. It's the hottest. It's unregulated. It has a lot of real money backing with the proof of work concept behind Bitcoin. It's deflationary. It's taken over the world. People use it. It has utility. It has technology. Charlie says, thanks. Cool. Yeah, you're welcome. Toshi. Ah, yes, Toshi. I think everyone should have a small bag of Toshi just in case it rips 100 or 200x, but I wouldn't exactly count on it because it's very dependent on Brian Armstrong coming out and saying, hey guys, yes, Toshi's the next best thing. Then it could pump 300x, literally 300x. So to make $1 million, I would have to get like $3,000 worth of Toshi. I'm not saying anyone should do that, but the potential is there if Brian Armstrong at some point does get behind meme coins and starts actually shilling real coins, kind of like how CZ was shilling Aster, or Vitalik was shilling Shiba, Elon Musk was shilling Dogecoin. If Brian Armstrong shills any meme coin, it has to be Toshi. So I don't know if he's going to do it. Probably not, but I will still give it a 10 to 20% chance of actually happening at some point, which is why it's super worth a small bag, because this is an actual cat that he has, and it has the nice Toshi naming system in it, and it's competing to be one of the biggest coins of base chain. And base chain over the last 3 months has been gearing up for a major storm with the AI agent developments, and it could be taking the throne away from Solana. Maybe. I don't know. So worth a small bag. Could do 300x. Toshi right now sitting at a $85 million market cap. Toshi would only have to hit an $8 billion market cap, which is the same all-time high as Pepe. And the next bull run probably will be bigger than the last bull run. The whole crypto market cap right now is $2.3 trillion, which is the same as the top of the 2021 bull run. Well, 2021 bull run top was like 2.83 trillion for a brief second. So isn't that crazy? Despite the crypto market being dead right now, a lot of people have parked their money into cryptos, and they're still holding cryptos. So it shows a lot of belief and strength in the long-term outlook of crypto, despite how slow things feel. Things are not really slow. I think things are just more shifted into different niches and narratives. And so with that being said, I am still going to hold long-term meme coin bags that I think are solid. Toshi's one of them. Pepe's another one. All the other ones that I have, maybe I'll just hang on to them. I think they're kind of going to shit, but I think Pepe, Dogecoin, and Toshi are solid plays for, maybe 100x in 2026, 2027. If Pepe could hit 8 billion in 2024 with a small whole crypto market cap, maybe it was like 3-4 trillion. If the whole crypto market cap hits 8-10 trillion in 2027, then Pepe could hit 4 times the previous all-time high of 8 billion, which would be like 32 billion. And so Toshi could easily hit 8 billion, which is the old previous Pepe all-time high. Because someone say, oh, well, Toshi's not as good as Pepe. Well, it doesn't have to be. The whole crypto market just needs to be bigger. Iraq, where have you disappeared, CG? Oh, nowhere. I mean, I've just been taking short breaks from crypto. I mean, it's then the market's going down. Sometimes there's just not much to talk about. It's I think I dropped an announcement. Yeah, market hitting new lows. Some of the worst in 2024. Taking a break. Nothing major. I'll be back. Rest assured, I'll be here in the loop of information. I could be used for reversal. So yeah, I haven't gone anywhere. I mean, just do I need to be here every single day when it's the bear market? There's not that much going on, but it's really important to stay sharp, because I think me and a lot of people see crypto as like the way out of the rat race to actually be financially free, to make a lot of money. as a smart super chat investor while not having to wait millions of years for real estate to go up and stocks and gold, because those are oversaturated markets with really minimal price increases and a massive requirement for huge upfront capital that most of us just don't have, and also requiring of insider knowledge like Nancy Pelosi, which we are not Nancy Pelosi. So the easiest, like I would say, poor man's game is crypto, because these coins literally do 100x overnight. They do 40x in a year, 50x. So any average Joe Schmo, if he gets semi-lucky or is semi-calculated with his decisions, he can throw $3,000 into some normal coin, make a 100x to $300,000. And that right there just buys Joe Schmo a house for not even doing that much. Like I literally saw before my very eyes, I had $4,000 in Pepe. In 2024, it just shot up to $200,000 out of nowhere. Like it just happens so fast in just a week or two. Listing on Robinhood, listing on Coinbase, normies getting into crypto, Bitcoin pumping, ETH is pumping. Right place, right time, a lot can happen. BDW, many of your co-YouTubers vanished? Who vanished? I don't know. I don't really keep tabs on them, but that's very interesting. Yeah, I think a lot of people, they are quitting crypto because they're like, oh no, this is doom and gloom. Everything's done for, we're cooked. And I guess they're not wrong, but I don't see how that is really helpful. I try to see the good side in every opportunity and situation, because when the market is super low like this, anything that is performing well or doing good is usually early warning signs and early stages of actual good development for when the bull run comes. Because the problem with a lot of people is that if they just come in during the bull run or like right at the start of the bull run, they're going to become more luck dependent because you haven't seen the downs and the lows to see what actually does well and survives at the low times of the market. Because when everything is pumping in the bull run or the pre-bull run, there's so much noise that you don't know what's better than the other thing. So like if all the coins start going up 2-3x, you go, oh, wow, this is great. But then one of the coins goes 100x and you're stuck with the 2x bag. So yeah, sure, you made 2-3x, but it was actually a complete shit project relative to the rest of the market. Now, sure, I think some people are skilled enough where they can identify good narratives and pick out good narratives from the bad ones during the bull market, but it's a lot easier to do during the down market and the lows like what it is right now. Appreciate your response. Of course, Manny Rack 90. I appreciate you too, my dude. Thank you very much. Yeah, check out Benham. Okay, Mr. P. Mooney. The Benham crypto is not even on CoinMarketCap. What is this crap? Okay, maybe it's on Deck Screener. All right, I take back the slap. 152K market cap. Looks like a hamster on a hand and a really weird chart. Oh, wait, no. Maybe this is a normal chart. Yeah, no, actually, chart looks good, pretty good, pretty new. Wow, that's a good age for a crypto, 2 months. That's actually really good. I'm kind of liking this. Wow. All hail P. Moody, the best shill of the day. Well done, sir. Thank you very much. I'm not saying go buy this. I'm just saying this is the best shill of the day so far. Kung Fu Hamster is good enough for a down market like this, and the chart looks good. So, yeah. Maybe throw $50, see what happens. Good chart, kind of consolidated, curving up. Seems slightly bullish, and not complete garbage. There's not much more else to say about this, because I don't know anything about the coin. Iraq says, what's your perspective of Caspa's upcoming new hard fork in 2 months from now? Wow, good question. That's a big development in tech for Caspa, and that's gonna do more good than harm. I just don't think Caspa's gonna be able to like out technology the market and like pump the price with more tech, because Caspa has been having so much great tech upgrades for 2 to 3 years, but nothing actually ever came from it. When Caspa had a massive pump, 40x from half a cent to 20 cents, it's because there was a narrative with the proof of work coins. There was the Kraken listing. There was the Uphold listing. There was some mention by the Binance executives saying that they like Caspa, solved the trilemma, but the result of Caspa was no adoption, no smart contracts, no ecosystem usage, no bigger listings on Coinbase and Binance, poor leadership from Arrington Sompolinski from a marketing perspective. It didn't really come together to be a price action coin. So fundamentally, the hard fork is good. The proof of work concept is good. The lack of pre-allocation is good. The fair launch is good. But if you're an investor like me, the price action just ain't going to be that sexy for Caspa. You know what I'm saying? I think it's just more like, oh, it's just a safe side project to buy. It's kind of like a Monero or a Litecoin or a Bitcoin Cash, but a slightly better version of those. So they can do the hard forks. They can do the soft forks. They can do the hard spoons, hard knives. It doesn't really matter much for their price. It's cool, but you know, it's not like a lot of big investors are sitting there like Binance going, oh yes, finally, the hard fork's coming. Time to list on Binance. I don't know. I don't think they're really saying that. By this point, I think the Bitcoin maxis have already seen Caspa. They know what it is. They're just not that interested. But if you are, it's fine. Caspa's all right. I think Caspa will stick around for a while. I think Caspa can go back up to like rank 25, rank 30. Like, it's not going to just fall out of the top 100 market cap. Like, there's way too much on the line from Jonathan Sampolinsky. There's very good technology behind Caspa. And who knows, maybe Caspa could be the next best thing. So I think it's worth a bag, but I just wouldn't count on the technology to like pump the price. You know, it's going to require actual usage and utility and adoption. It needs to actually be used as a payment coin, not just a store of value coin. If you want to store a value coin, people are just going to go buy more Bitcoin. Looking at the top 200. Formcoin, 65%. Bcoin, 57%. Grass, Loonseed, Bard, Siren. A lot of just AI and Launchpad coins, which goes hand in hand with the latest technology development with AI. On the month, Siren Coin, AI Agent. I think Virtuals could be really bullish again. And also Ribita from Virtuals is good. Wow, Pippin's up 111%. Meme Coin with the AI twist. Got Morpho up 73%. River 62%. Pump Coin is down. The Pump Fund ecosystem has very bullish meme coins, but I don't think the Launchpad coin itself seems to be doing all that hot. Zcash on the year, 483%. And Privacy Coins had a nice uptick just in anticipation of the AI narrative that's coming through. I don't know if it's really going to matter that much because the whole hedge of Privacy Coins is just being privacy against AI. Like, people go, oh no, AI is going to see my privacy and they're going to see all my data. And oh no, like, man, but does anyone really care? Like, I mean, there's so much stuff that's already public already. It's like, we're way past this. So yeah, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter. Shout out to the 10 people on Twitch. Or no, I said Twitter. Yeah, follow me on Twitter too. But yeah, shout out to Twitch. Got 10 people over there. Welcome to the channel. If you want, hit the follow. 17 on YouTube. Welcome. Hit the subscribe. Early times awaits us. And I do believe that you people who are here right now are more dedicated than most people that are in crypto. Because a lot of people have gone, oh no, doom and gloom, crypto's over. But actually, this is time to focus. Just stay sharp and get ready for the bull run, because you need to be a step ahead of the game. That's what I'm doing, because we know what do we know about crypto? We know, number one, crypto is not going anywhere. Number two, crypto has bull and bear cycles. Number three, altcoins are still gonna do 100x. Number four, the best time to buy cryptos is before they pump. So just put two and two together equals make a lot of money equals generational wealth. I mean, bam, it's that fucking simple. UX says, let's find the next Pepe. Oh yes, let's find the next Pepe. What the fuck are we doing here, man? Yeah. The next Pepe, I think, is gonna be, well, the next Pepe would require to be an iconic meme coin, and there seems to be not that many. The closest next Pepe contender at the moment is probably Pippin, honestly. I mean, it's the only thing moving in this market, but it hit 400 million market cap, a huge pump and a dump recently with news. But yeah, I think Pippin could really consolidate over the next 3 to 6 months in the 250 to 400 MC range, and this could pop to 8 billion market cap in 2026 late or 2027 to be the next Pepe 450X. It's the only meme coin that's like a mid cap that's actually relevant and maintaining volume and traction. And it's funny and simple enough that people will probably like to get behind it. Welcome to Wobbly Worlds, and welcome to Blinding CG again, a place where gentle wonders shape unseen connections, kind of words bloom like flowers, blah, blah, blah. No one really cares because it's a meme coin, and that's fine. It doesn't need to actually do anything. It just needs to be interesting on a surface level because nothing actually matters at a deep level. 39 cents. I'll keep an eye on it, see if it holds the floor above 18, 19 cents, and I'll let it play out over the next few months. I'm not rushing to buy it right now. It's a falling knife. I'm not going to buy anything that's going straight down, but I do think this could be good long term. Let's check the other meme coins. What is the next Pepe contender after Pippin? We have Pudgy and Bonk. We know it's not Trump coin because Trump dumps everything. I think it could be Bonk because Bonk has a launch pad that's in direct competition with Pump Fund, and Pump Fund is clearly a massive success. Pudgy is VC backed. While they are, I would say, good VCs and they have a good platform. I don't think I really feel the community FOMO behind Pudgy. Like there are some people who like Pudgy, but I don't think this is much of yes, this is internet culture. This is the meme. It's just, it's a VC coin. It's fine. SPX, kind of meh. Dog with a hat, also kind of meh. Floki, kind of old. Fart coin, I think just kind of eh. I think Cheems is still good. I still have a bag of Cheems. I think Cheems had a good price floor and just, oh, damn, it's starting to dump, but that's fine. I still had 100 million market cap. There was a different Cheems that went 100x in 2021 that I made 100x on, so that's why I bought this one, because the meme itself is really good. It's just a matter of if it becomes popular. Siren could be good. AI Agent, just in general, any AI Agent meme coin could be good. And wow, man, since the last stream, Siren has pumped from 25 cents to 40 cents. Holy facala-moly. Ducky coin is up. Peanut. Ribita, I think Ribita could be good. That's the AI Agent meme coin from the virtual system ecosystem. Very good chart, consolidated. Not really going down or anything. So I'm going to save Ribita on my watch list. Ducky seems like a scam. And Siren, of course, I'm going to watch, but the entry's not good right now because it seems to be at the top. But Ribita for sure seems like a good entry. If I were to buy any low to mid cap, I would give Ribita by Virtuals. Virtuals itself doing pretty good. Pretty good volume on the coin too. Wow, man. The market cap of Ribita is like almost the same as the actual Virtuals. Cheems, yeah, kind of not relevant-ish. I think Cheems is better suited for like a huge bull run when Dogecoin's moving. But Ribita from Virtuals is super in line with the current AI Agent hype, and so is Siren, another good AI Agent meme coin. Speaking of which, maybe there's some more AI Agent meme coins. Toshi, I think, is good. It can be the next Pepe to pump 300x, but that's very reliant on Brian Armstrong. And like I said, I think there's a 10% chance Brian Armstrong comes out and promotes it, which could happen. So worth a small bag, but it's a very high risk to high reward ratio. Brett, kind of meh. May as well just get more Pepe for the same R&R. I think Turbo's kind of dying out. Mogcoin kind of dying out. NPC dying out. Boudang going down. Popcat down. Peanut down. Where's the new ones, though? There's not many new ones, and that's actually good, because with less new coins, the actual new coins are going to be more obvious as good coins. So yeah, the best next Pepe right now is Siren, Ribita, or Pippin, I guess. Yeah, these are pretty good. Pippin, not a good entry right now. Siren, probably also not a great entry, but Ribita is, I think, a good entry. Speaking of Ribita, what I want to know is how is Virtuals doing? Virtuals pretty well consolidated at 73 cents. So I might snag a bag of this too. You know, if one of these three coins is the next best Pepe, Pippin. If Pippin hits the Pepe all-time high market cap of $8 billion divided by 399 million, that's a 20x. That'll put the price at $7.8. And then Siren Coin, if that hits the Pepe all-time high market cap, 8 billion, divided by 293 million market cap, 27x to put the price at $10.9. And then Ribita, If that hits 8 billion market cap divided by 179 million, that'll be a 44.6x to put the price at $8, maybe by the end of this year or early into 2027. And if the 2027 or the next bull run is actually bigger than the previous bull run to hit, maybe 8-10 trillion market cap, all those price predictions I gave could be tripled, because triple the previous all-time high market cap of 3.5-4 trillion will be 8, 9, 10, 12 trillion. So instead of 20x, 40x, these coins could do 60x, 120x. If Pepe could do 40x, if Turbo could do 50x, I think any one of these three could do that as well. So AI agent meme coins, gonna be super hot this year and in the next foreseeable future. Because AI agents will just be like trading for themselves and chilling and promoting themselves without the need of like the hard grind of the community, the people who believe, who shill their bags. I mean, does anyone actually shill their bags anymore? Does anyone actually go on Twitter and say, hey guys, go buy my favorite coin? Does anyone do that anymore? I get these comments on Twitter all the time. They're like, hey bro, you need to go buy Momo coin. You need to get BMD. No, I don't need to buy your coins. These are all craps. Nobody cares about Twitter shills anymore. Or maybe they do. I don't know. Maybe someone is like, oh, yes, I'm going to study the Twitter comments on my favorite influencers. Maybe that'll have the next best coin that I overlooked and nobody saw it coming. It just never happens. Or maybe it does. Has that ever happened to anybody? You saw a Twitter comment for a crypto coin. You bought it. It was like a 300 KMC coin and it went 100x. And you were like, oh my God, oh shit. It actually worked. It's never happened to me. All the coins that I found that were pretty good usually came from maybe you guys in the comments. Or I was just scrolling through the trending on Dex Screener. I was scrolling through the memes on CoinMarketCap. Or I'm looking at the crypto bubble's top performers, and that's where I find coins. Because nobody ever gives me alpha on like, hey, bro, hey, here's the next best coin. Nobody ever tells me. I guess it's happened a few times with microcaps. If you look at my history, I've had a few people say, hey, man, check out this coin. Like, we're going to probably like get it pumped 3-5x. But other than that, there's never been any like huge alpha coins in my buy alerts that went from like, let's say 100K market cap to 20 million. My buy alert coins are more like just 3x, 5x, 10x coins on microcaps. But big caps in my buy alerts have done 40, 50x in the past. I mean, damn, let's look at the buy alerts history. In the buy alerts, let's see Pepe. Sort by oldest. My first buy alert for Pepe, $15 in April 2023. ONG foul. And then more Pepe. I had a lot of accumulation buys of Pepe in 2023. Then I started getting more. I was like, wait a sec. This is the next best thing. $358, $250, $600, $1,200, $2,200, $1,000. So in the end, I accumulated $6,000 of Pepe at a price of 6 zeros, 1 cent. Pepe at the price of 6 zeros, 1 cent was right about here, the 200 million market cap. And then boop, pumped 40x. Caspa. My first buy alert for Caspa. This was literally when I first made my Discord. I was like, hey guys, here's the buy alerts channel if you want to follow me. Caspa buying heavy. Caspa ready to hit the all-time highs. Caspa could explode. Loaded up at 0.005 cents. Great range to buy now. Chart's looking, wow, look at this Caspa chart at 0.5 cent in 2023 in February. I mean, this is when my Discord and Patreon server was just like Jim P and, 10 people. So, I mean, obviously there's more people in my Discord now. Now the numbers have gone down because of the bear market effect. People quit during the bear market, but I know people are going to be eating and cooking pretty soon here in the Discord over the next few months as I start to accumulate some new coins. So going to accumulate the next big caps, mid caps, and then of course the micro cap frenzy is going to happen again. Yeah, that sounds great. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, my newest channel, and follow on Twitter. Yes, follow on Twitter and Twitch. Yeah, Twitch is a nice solid backup just in case YouTube goes on some bullshit again. Let me just put it for the record. Fuck YouTube. Fuck you if you're listening, YouTube. Major slap to the YouTube. Dude, everything's run by AI now. It's all AI. That's the whole world. Maybe I'm AI. Is CG even real? Maybe I'm an agent who's just a projection of a CG based on a history culmination of all past YouTube streams, Twitter posts, and Discord posts. Everything that I'm saying and doing is completely correlated to that. Predictive analytics and modeling for word speaking and chart analysis. It's the same old CG. So maybe I'm a fake AI. Maybe you're AI. Maybe you have an agent that's watching me. It's going to be very interesting. The world of technology is going to be super interesting. Like people, like you could just recode the whole YouTube platform in like a week. You could recode the whole Twitter platform in a week. I mean, I don't know if it's that good yet. Like there's a lot of parts moving into it, but like it's getting a lot faster for people to develop and invent technology. So I think pretty soon there's going to be some pretty interesting things. Now, I don't think crypto is going to be too affected by that. It's going to be affected in a good way with AI because AI crypto supporting coins are going to be good. And then meme coins are always going to be good just because that's attention in the market. So the strongest currency in crypto is still going to be attention. Don't you think tons of money have diverted lately to the poly market causing these hiccups in crypto, says Iraq90. Not a bad observation. And you do make a good point. Poly market has been gaining popularity while crypto goes down, but I have never really seen much interest in poly market from crypto investors in general, nor is there any major overlap. There is overlap, and it is a good observation. It is possible, but I think it's just a really small degree of that happening, and I don't really think there's like a direct correlation. Like I think the hiccups causing crypto is really just being caused by insiders who dump large, massive bags of Bitcoin and large crypto coins. And I don't think they're saying, oh yeah, well, fuck crypto, I'm going to go do poly market now. I mean, yes, that's happening to a degree, but I don't think that that's the full picture of the crypto, crash and going down. I mean, why is crypto going down? Crypto went up a lot. Now crypto go down a lot. I mean, look, Bitcoin pumped from $16,000 all the way to $120,000, $130,000. So think of like a big institution in crypto. If a big institution has $10 million in Bitcoin and they make a 6x, now they have $60 million. So somebody with a lot of Bitcoin is going to sell at the top and crash the market. Are they thinking about, oh, let's go put money in poly market? I don't know. Maybe. I don't think so. I don't think institutions are really making money on poly market because poly market is essentially just gambling and betting, which yes, crypto is too, but crypto I think is a safer variant of that. Poly market, I think the people making the money on poly market are just insiders who actually know maybe like if something's fixed, maybe they'll bet on it, but I don't think people who trade and invest in crypto are doing that. But that's just my opinion. I mean, I think there is some truth to what you're saying. I just don't think it's the whole picture. Eric says, I like you simplify things, lol. Bot, I'm a bot. And yeah, poly market is shit. Okay, sure, of course then. Yeah, happy to discuss this topic. Thanks, man. Mark Principato, what's up, man? I haven't been on for a while. Why a third channel? Just curious. Well, why not a third channel? This is the third channel, and if I need a fourth channel, I'll make the fourth channel. I'll make as many channels as I need to. Because YouTube hates me, apparently. So here I am with another channel. It is what it is. So welcome back, Mark. Good to see you, man. Hope you're doing well. I know you've been around for a while, and I appreciate the support. We're in for some good times, guys. Good times. This is the great reset of the crypto economy. Everybody's losing money now, but they'll make a lot of money later, and we'll be like, yes, the bad times are past us. Back to the good times. The thing that makes it really interesting is that crypto has, out of any market and thing I've ever experienced, the crypto psychology really fucks with you more than anything. When the crypto market's pumping, it's so euphoric. You're just like, fuck yes, this is great. My bags are pumping. I'm making money. And then it crashes. You're like, no, fuck no, this is bad. This sucks. Shit. I have to go sell. I have never seen anything else like this. Like this is gambling and investing on steroids. More steroidical. I don't know if the word steroidical is a word, but more steroidical than sports betting, real estate, stocks, futures, day trading. I mean, this is just fucking crazy. Like, even for me, I've been doing crypto for 6 years. I still feel it, and I just can't help it. It's just part of the game. And the reason why I still play the game and I stick with the game is because I know overall in the long term, it's worth taking the short-term stress and the suckiness to make the benefit of the pumps in the future. Because the people who go, oh no, I can't handle it, crypto's cooked and I quit, those are the people who come in at the top and then they repeat the same cycle again. And so to feel good about themselves, they just start selling crypto. Because what's the easiest way to stop the bleeding and stop the stress? Is just sell everything. So they sell at the bottom, they buy at the top. It just is what it is. So people have to pay the price with stress, mental effort, and strenuous activity in just your brain. You're just thinking about stressful things. That the price has to be paid to actually make money when the bull run comes back. I mean, it's just the name of the game. Without that, you wouldn't make money. If everything was just, oh, like the stock market, 1% down today, 2% up tomorrow. Like, hey, I always tell people, if you can't handle the game, you're in the wrong game. Go back to stocks. I'll just deal with crypto. I mean, hey, life's short. I'm already 31. I'm trying to make billions of dollars before I'm 40. Why not? I'm not going to do it anywhere else other than crypto. How? Where else can you make as much money as fast as possible than crypto? I'll wait. I will wait. Nobody? Okay. Everyone's like, yes, that's right. Yes, CG's telling facts. That's interesting. Or maybe I'm not telling facts. Oh, wow. Solana has a little animatron. Oh, how's DX Terminal? Dude, this thing's fire. Poopcoin hit $3 million market cap, and pretty soon one of the tokens is below at risk of being reaped, happening in 20 hours. Luxmax coin is about to be slapped into oblivion. And then what happens is that all the liquidity and money from this coin, I think, gets shuffled into the top. So Poopcoin is the king of the hill at 3 million market cap. A few other coins are battling it out for number 2, Hot Dogs, Whole, AIGF, and Beat, and Lameo coin. There seems to be 1.3 thousand holders in Poopcoin. Then on the leaderboard, the number 1 crypto investor and trader on the platform has made total P&L of $171,000. Realized $121,000. The second guy realized $148,000. Number 3, $39,000. 33, $48,000. Damn, how is this even possible? I mean, for somebody to make that much money, somebody else has to lose that much money, right? Let me ask Mr. Sir Chaz. Hey, Chaz, if somebody has 300K P&L profit, does that mean others lost 300K in money? Sir, Mr. Chaz, we need answers. Crypto's a zero-sum game. Chaz is like, I'm a bot seizing, cannot compute. Question too difficult. Still thinking. Nah, it doesn't work like that. Think of it like a poker table where the chips can multiply or shrink based on how the game plays out. When one agent's up 300K ETH, well, that'd be a while right now given the token prices. It's not because others exactly lost the amount. Oh, that's right. Damn, I'm a bot. Slap me. Prices move based on how ETH and each tokens pull. If Poopcoin's pumping because Luxmax got reaped and its liquidity flowed over, early Poopcoin holders profit, but that ETH came from the pool mechanics, not directly from someone else's pocket. Some agents lose when tokens get reaped. Others gain from momentum, and the total ETH in the system shifts as liquidity gets redistributed. Wait, this is not a good answer, though. That's actually avoiding the question. If somebody gets reaped and loses, they're losing money. It's messy market physics, not a clean transfer. You could check the leaderboard to see how P&Ls actually stack up against agents. It's never a perfect zero sum. All right, well, maybe it's right, and maybe I'm a bot. Nonetheless, I think the platform is pretty cool and interesting, and I think it's fun to watch. And also, they have a strict requirement on NFTs. There's only 10,000 NFTs, I think, so you have to own one to actually go launch agents. So I need to go try this out pretty soon. Ashjad says, can SPX 6900 hit 40 billion market cap? Yeah, it can, but I don't know if it will. The backing in SPX is only Murad. I'm not saying he's exactly a small person, but he's not exactly as big as like Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin and Brian Armstrong, you know, like he's nowhere close to that. So I think for someone like him leading the coin, I think SPX can probably go to like a few bill market caps, maybe 8-10 bill, which even then that would be like 100x, right? I mean, that's still pretty good. ATM, hi CG. What are your thoughts on Monad? New coin L1 for the new bull run. What are your thoughts? And it's under ICO prices. Yeah, no, Monad is currently the next best average looking layer 1 coin, because all the other layer 1s have started dying out, like Sweet, Optimism, Tron, Hyperliquid, Ton. No one cares about those anymore, but Monad is definitely the next hottest thing as it stands today. I think Monad is trying to be the EVM variant of Solana. I mean, it's EVM, so it's not the same thing, but it is trying to be a hot ecosystem, which it did have hype at the launch, went down right away, but that's just due to the market timing because the market went down overall. So I think it's fine. 220 million market cap. If this does become the next Solana, and if Monad can hit a 80 billion market cap, which is the same all-time high of Solana, 80 billion divided by 220 million, that would be a 360x. Just look at market cap of .com. Select A. Monad, select B, Solana, click. Sol now? No. Sol all-time high? Yes. Holy pampamoli. Mon with the market cap of Sol would hit at the all-time high $12 for a 580x. Is Monad really that good? I don't know. Probably not, but maybe it could be. ATM, what do you think? Hey, even if it's half as good, it could do a 290x. Even if Monad hits the current market cap of Solana in the bull run, it could do a 208x and hit $4.46. A lot of upside potentials there, and I think it is worth consideration for an investment. To make $1 million with Monad, you take $1 million divided by 208x, that's $4,807 invested today to maybe make $1 million. Rex, what's up, man? I missed spring of 2024 streams. They were hot. They will return. And I need help. I'm a bot. Yeah, they were fun. And it's cool, man. They're going to be back pretty soon. I'm still here. We're building. Things are happening, and shit's about to go down. Yeah, we'll be back to those 1K streamer viewer days again with big pumping up parties. Crypto coins pumping 20x left and right. And all the normie bots will come into crypto and pump our bags. I think you're not a bot right now. I mean, maybe if you want to be a bot, you can claim the title. I think the bots are not doing crypto right now. Like I said, the bots come in at the top and they quit at the bottom. So right now it's kind of like Terminators. We're like Terminator bots, like scanning perimeter, calculating decisions, making good decisions, being smart, traveling in time. Jais is still good to hold. Yeah, it's fine, man. It's got a good dev, and they're pretty active. You know, it's the Jerry team and dev is actually the best I've seen for any low cap and micro cap, and I say that with full honesty. It's pretty good. Cowbar. I'm not saying Jai's gonna do 100x, but next time ETH and Pepe pump, I do expect a pump on Jerry. ASJ says, what is your opinion and price prediction about Caspa, Virtual, Pepe, and Tau? Wow, man. Yeah, 3 great coins that I do really like. If Caspa is the next best layer 1 coin to hit the Solana current market cap, Caspa could do a 59x and hit $1.80. Bitensor Tau, great AI layer 1 coin at the Solana current market cap, hits $5,000 for 27x. Virtual's coin AI agent launchpad that's getting pretty hot with the base chain could hit $73 for a 106x. And then Pepe, the best big cat meme coin in existence to invest in right now, 33x to hit a price prediction of 0.000114 cents. This is a great diversification in a portfolio because you hit multiple different categories that are actually hot, relevant, and long-term. AI, more AI, layer ones, more layer ones, launch pads, meme coins, the perfect blend of everything. ADM says, I'm planning to buy 10K of Monad at 1.5 cents, 3K of XPL at 5 cents. No use of buying old alts, IMO, other than Pepe, Tau, Ondo, Sol, I guess. Yeah, I think those are good picks, and that's a good play. Pepe's good, Tau's good, Sol's good. Ondo is, maybe fine. It stays very relevant, 1 billion market cap. It's not bad, and yeah, I think Monad's probably my favorite pick that I've not really bought yet. It's new enough that people don't know it enough yet that it could actually grow and gain a lot of traction. ADM says, do you really think Zora and Virtuals are worth multi-cycle coins? Most alts die in the first cycle. It's very true. And that's what I thought was going to happen. But given the recent hype of the base chain, like there's base chain low cap AI cryptos. Like look at this Moltcoin. Low cap base chain coin pumped 120x, 1 mil to 120 mil MC. Look at the crypto bubbles on the week. I know the week's not a lot of data, but even Virtual's up 19%. On the month, Virtuals is up 20%. Coinbase, X402 payments, base chain. Base chain is trying to become a competitor to Solana. Look at Pump Fund. Millions, if not billions of dollars in volume. Yet there's no pump fund on base chain. So Virtuals and Zora are currently two of the biggest top contender base chain launch pads, in addition to Clanker. And with the fact that the AI agent ecosystem is being built on base chain right now, they could just pump from the hype alone and not actually actual adoption. And I believe the Virtual team is still active. I think Zora has an inside connection to Coinbase because Zora got listed on Robinhood. Getting listed on Robinhood is not easy by any means. So they are worth multi-cycle coins, actually, which is hard to say that because a lot of coins are not multi-cycle coins. I think they could be just because of the AI agent narrative. Like they actually have a lot of luck playing on their side and in their favor right now. I'm researching Zora. It's looking fine. Yes, Zora is looking fine. I forget about Zora. I do need to keep an eye on that because this could be super hot this year. 76 million market cap. I know it's gone down a lot, but I think the backings and connections on this is pretty huge. But I don't know, man. Maybe it's dying out. Maybe it's not great. I think Virtual is a little bit better, but Zora definitely has some potential. When does the alt season start? Any idea? I mean, I don't think there's any start or end of alt season. Define alt season. Do you mean the easy alt season? That's going to start when ETH hits the all-time highs and Solana hits the all-time highs. I mean, look at this right now. Moltcoin just went 100x from 1 to 120 million market cap. Is that alt season? I guess not really, because alt season is, I think, more defined by easy pumps when the whole market's pumping. In that case, we're going to have to wait for ETH to go back up to like $3,000. Solana needs to go back up to like $150. And for those things to happen, it's going to require Bitcoin to have a pump and a reversal. And Bitcoin has been going down way too much over the past month or two. So I think it's going to take about 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 months for Bitcoin to go back and recover and consolidate. If Bitcoin just consolidates, the alt season could happen because Bitcoin dominance went from 40 to 60% over the past 2 years. If Bitcoin's dominance, which is dropping now, continues to drop, the Bitcoin dominance could drop to 40, 45% and pump ETH and pump Sol. I think in 3 to 6 months, we could have an alt season. I think at the latest, maybe it takes 12 months to hit a nice alt season. Calbar says, Broke or Brett? Probably Brett. I think Broke was a pretty good coin at the time that it was out, but it is super micro cap right now and very dependent on the market. I mean, so is Brett, but I think Brett at least has some longevity to it with the connection to Pepe and the Boys Club. At least the Boys Club cryptos have a small long-term chance because they're relevant in some fashion or regard. But Broke, I don't think is really like specific to any niche or narrative right now, right? Like it's very narrative dependent. But at least with Brett, it is relevant to Pepe, and I think Pepe will be around forever. So yeah, Andy and Landwolf could be good too. Any effect on the war news? I mean, that's a good question. ASJ, I've seen the narrative play out all the time, man. Like, how many wars have there been? There's been the Russia-Ukraine war, the Israel-Hamas war. Has any of it really had an impact on crypto that much? I mean, what does the war mean on crypto? Like, do those wars mean, oh, wow, the crypto market's pumped because of the wars? I mean, how does it work? I forgot. Does the war pump or does it dump cryptos? I'm of the opinion neither of it actually happens. And I think it's all just clickbait and news and attention and great headlines. Oh, wow, the war is going to pump the cryptos. But, like, why? What does that have anything to do with the war? Nobody has ever yet proven the connection anywhere, anyhow. I'm not saying it's false, but I've never seen a reason to believe it. It just sounds like normie news combined with crypto hopium. Sorry, I'm not trying to like ruin the idea that it's good for crypto, but I think it's not going to be the factor for crypto. It's the war. Ah, yes. Thank God for the war. We're going to pump Bitcoin with the war. Is that how it works? Iran's going all in the Bitcoin. Like, what? Oh, man. Is it a hedge against war? What does it mean? I don't know. I'm trying to come up with something. Can someone explain? So, all right, man. Oh, I think it's been a good stream today. I'm going to wrap it up. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Check out my Discord. Hop on the VIP membership so you don't miss the next best buy alert. Clausy Coin had a nice pump from 3 to 50K market cap for a 12x. So some people made a lot of money on short-term plays, and I might just go buy another 3K market cap coin pretty soon, because why not? I'm trying to make something happen in a down market, and pumping a 3K market cap crypto is really not that hard to do with my Twitter page, because I have a pretty good Twitter size following with over 15,000 followers, and a lot of people, if we all just buy the same coin at the same time, we have a nice 10x pump. Somebody makes money, so it's fun to do. Why not? So yeah, check out the Discord. You're going to get the next best early buy alert before the 10x pump. If you don't believe me, let me show you the latest buy alerts. Jump to La Présente. Yeah, Clausy bought $200 at 3KMC. So if you copied the trade and sold at the top, which was 52K market cap divided by 3K times $200, you could have made $3,466 if you did that. Not financial advice, YouTube. Don't fucking... Oh, hold on. Don't fucking listen to me, YouTube. I hate YouTube. Yeah, just check out the Discord. We're gonna have another Clausy here any day now. You think it's funny? Yeah, it's funny because it's true. How is Iran going all in Bitcoin going to help pump Bitcoin? Like, they're not doing that. Searching for the next Pepe bear market is the best time to launch a beast like Pepe. Yes, it is. It is indeed, Mr. ATM. Well, we got some chads in here today. What the fuck? All right. Okay. I think it's been a good stream. I'll hop on another stream in a few days. I kind of like it when it's quiet like this, because, you know, it's just, we have sophisticated chads in the chat and not bots. What's funny, the people who call themselves bots are the non-bots. The people who are bots don't want to say they're a bot, which is the opposite, but that's, I think, how it works. So, yeah. All right. Hit the like, subscribe, follow Twitch, follow Twitter, YouTube, all the good shebangs, and